I'm gonna show y'all what the irrigation system looks like. It's basically just a long tube or hose, and each of the hose has a little like connector that goes underneath all of these hanging areas. So it waters the bottom and it also drips onto the one that's below it. So you can just hook this main hose up to your faucet at your home outside and turn it on whenever you feel like it needs some water. We personally, since we have a much larger system with 4 separate walls that have more than one frame on them, we have it set to a timer. So we'll hook our hose up to a timer and we set it for about 15 minutes, 3 to 4 times a day throughout the day. And that's because we're pretty busy doing other things and farmers, so we don't always have the luxury of like taking the time to water and taking the time to enjoy it, which it's kind of fun when it waters. It looks like a little waterfall and it also sounds fun. So yeah, that's the irrigation system.